Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making roasted veggies with creamy polenta. It's delicious and satisfying and surprisingly easy to prepare. Let's get started. We'll prep the veggies. I like asparagus, but it's quite fibrous, so I peel the upper portion of the stalk. These are Brussels sprouts I had already cleaned and halved. They're quite big, so I'll quarter the larger ones. This is a very large sweet potato, so I'll use a portion of it. I scrub the skin, just peeling off the yucky areas. I use red bell pepper quite often. It adds so much vibrant color and a slight sweetness. And we're using half a red onion. And 3 very small carrots. Which veggies would you add or leave out? Let me know in the comments. We're gonna dress the veggies with lots of olive oil and also a mixture of balsamic vinegar, honey, salt, and pepper. It'll sweeten the veggies and help them to caramelize. Now, because the veggies require different cooking times, the denser vegetables will go in first. Spread out in a single layer and bake in 425 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then the lighter vegetables will go in. Bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. I made a lot today, so I ended up needing 2 large baking sheets. While the veggies are in the oven, let's start making the polenta. It's like cornmeal, but much coarser. We need 4 parts liquid to 1 part polenta. You can use water or stock. I'm using Better Than Bouillon vegetable stock. It makes the water a bit dark, but you won't notice it when it's done. Pour in slowly as you keep stirring. Continue to stir over medium-low heat. It's a lot like making grits or cream of wheat. What that means is don't walk away from the stove or you'll come back to a big old mess. Give it a taste. The grains should be soft. If you need more cook time, you can add more water as you go. Use a wooden spoon to scrape the bottom of the pan. Finish it off with some butter and Parmesan cheese, as much as you like. Wow, the vegetables look so great. I'm just adding some parsley for some brightness. Serve when it's hot. The veggies are slightly sweet. I like the different colors and textures. And the polenta is subtle and creamy. The perfect complement. Hope you guys try this recipe and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.